Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem involving transition probabilities in a dataset. The problem revolves around analyzing simulated states of a system and calculating the transition probabilities between them. The main goal is to extend this analysis to calculate transition probabilities for in-step sequences. Now, let's talk about the solution provided. The function codecalculate_transition_probscode is the key to this problem. By specifying the number of steps, it creates a matrix of lag states and computes the transition probabilities for the given step sequence. The code efficiently organizes and calculates the transition probabilities for in-step sequences, providing a detailed output with counts and percentages. Expanding on the solution, using the function with a step value of 3 generates an extensive table of transition probabilities for each combination of states over the specified steps. This output gives a comprehensive overview of how the system evolves across different sequences of states, making it easier to analyze complex patterns within the data. In summary, the function codecalculate_transition_probscode offers a powerful tool for analyzing transition probabilities in sequential data with customizable step sequences. By leveraging this function, you can gain valuable insights into how states transition within a system. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of this problem. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Your support means the world to us.